hick birdie Bob. Hick birdie Bob. Hick bursty Bob, Iggy Bob. And we're reporting here on Ireland's big soccer matchup live from the capital of Iceland. And Iceland is one of the big superpowers of Arctic soccer.
You know, Bob, it's been beautiful visiting some of Iceland's famous scenic beauty spots.
Yeah, weren't those two ancient geezers we saw yesterday just beautiful, Bob?
Yeah, it's great to see Cascarino and Hatton still in the squad.
Yeah, what about that local cuisine?
You know, I had a wonderful kind of fish porridge for my breakfast this morning and a kind of a fish pie for lunch, and I'm really looking forward to having a kind of a fishy thing for supper.
Yeah, it's beautiful to see the truly harmonious relationship between the people of Iceland and the creatures of the deep.
Yeah, they're very fond of Bjorkos here, Bob. Well, that's it from us from this week, or as they say here in Iceland...